Hello and a warm welcome. My name is Mr. Cooper, and today I'm going to be talking through some information about the triple science option that we offer at Burnage Academy for Boys. So why do students pick triple science? Well, triple science is quite popular and it has some great benefits. It's a stepping stone, it's a fantastic stepping stone to science A-levels at college. So, for example, if a student is looking to follow a career in chemistry, physics, or biology, then it's a wonderful preparation. It's interesting and in-depth. So, in triple science, we can go into far greater detail than we can in the dual science GCSE. And also, triple science provides an opportunity for budding scientists to shine. It's also worth pointing out that triple science isn't a requirement for certain careers such as medicine. So whatever the outcome in the application process, somebody with high aspirations to follow a career such as medicine should not be too disappointed if they're unable to choose triple science, because both triple science and the standard dual option both offer pathways to all careers. So the triple science offering we do offer at Burnage is from AQA, and I've put here the course codes, so the GCSE in biology, the GCSE in chemistry, and also in physics. These are the codes of the specification that we follow, and each of these would be classed as a separate subject. So a student, rather than getting general science grades, they will get an individual grade for biology, an individual grade for chemistry, and finally one for physics too. And this is subjects which we have got a great record in at the school of past success in terms of our percentages of students achieving the very highest grades. Triple science is regularly performing very well in terms of both the percentages of students at the top end of the scale, but also a number of students who achieve at least a grade 5. So the offering, the GCSE, is broken down into 2 levels, and these levels are known as foundation tier and higher tier. So for the foundation tier, a student will receive a grade between grade 1 to 5. And for the higher tier, a student will receive a grade between grade 4 and 9. This decision on which tier the student sits will be made by the teacher close to the exams, and it's up to the student really to show their potential over the course of the course, over the 2 years that we are going through the individual GCSEs, to show their ability to work at the highest level if they want to sit the higher paper. So where are we up to with the process of selecting students? Well, back in December, we released details of a task, and that task was set out with the aims of allowing students to show their eligibility for triple. So students have completed the task and have submitted them, and we are currently in the process of selection. Finally, the students who have been selected will start studying triple science in September 2021. The task itself was quite topical. We based the task on COVID-19 and vaccinations in general. So the essay, which the students needed to write, was based in 3 areas, which I'll detail on the next slide. But the idea is that we wanted to see their ability to communicate in a range of formats which are essential for science, okay, but also keep their work within a certain number of words. So the first part of the essay, they were asked to explain how a vaccine is used to protect against a disease, both on an individual and at a wider community level. And the skills we were looking for there is the boys' ability to self-direct their research, to find the correct keywords, and to use them in a piece of text that has got good standards of communication. Section 2 was an ethical section, so we were looking at the idea of the anti-vaxxer movement. What we were looking for there is for the boys to find research, but also to write a balanced account outlining pros and cons. And then finally, the last section was based on the analysis of data. So we produced some tables of information based on hypothetical COVID-19 vaccination programs, and the boys were required to look over the tables and to independently analyse the data and come to a justified conclusion. So with that in mind, this is what we are looking for when we are assessing the essays, and we'll find out very soon who has been selected. Of course, if you have any further questions, then please do not hesitate to get in touch. We have the email address here from Miss Watson, who is the Head of Science at Burnage, also my email below. So by all means, we're available to answer any queries that you do have. So hopefully speak to you soon. Take care and bye-bye.